You will rise again, God is your sunrise. There are seasons when life feels heavy. When the nights feel longer than they should. When you wake up and the first thing you feel is a weight you can't explain. You smile on the outside, but inside, you're fighting battles no one sees. You're carrying failures, disappointments, heartbreaks, delays. And sometimes you wonder, God, will I ever rise again? But hear me. Even the darkest night cannot stop the morning. Even the coldest season cannot stop a new beginning. And just when your strength feels completely gone, God steps in as your sunrise. The same God who pulled David out of the valley. Who restored Job after his loss. Who lifted Joseph from the pit to the palace. That same God is watching over you. You are not forgotten. You are not abandoned. You are not finished. God specializes in resurrection, in bringing life back to what looked dead. Your dreams may look silent, your path may look unclear, but God is still writing your story. And He doesn't end stories in darkness, He ends them in glory. So stand back up. Wipe your tears. Hold your heart together even if it's shaking. Because you will rise again. Your peace will rise again. Your joy will rise again. Your confidence will rise again. Your purpose will rise again. This setback is not your ending, it's preparation. This delay is not denial, it's alignment. And this pain is not punishment, it's shaping you. You may feel buried, but God is about to prove you were only planted. And when the world sees what grows out of this season, they will know it was God's hand on your life. So breathe. Hold on. Walk in faith, not fear. Because your sunrise is coming, and nothing, absolutely nothing, can stop the light that God has ordained for you. You will rise again, because God is your sunrise. And before you go, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, and turn on the notification button so you never miss a moment of inspiration.